Question number 2 of Chapter Probability Exercise 16.1 of Ncert Maths textbook. Hello friends, the question is like this. Describe the sample space for the indicated experiment. The given experiment is: a die is thrown 2 times, and for this experiment we have to calculate the sample space. Before solving the question, it should be noted that, when it comes to rolling a die more than 2 times, tree diagram becomes difficult to be drawn. Tree diagrams are best when it comes to understanding how the sample space is obtained. We can draw a tree diagram for the event of throwing the die 2 times, but more than 2 times it becomes difficult to draw a tree diagram as number of outcomes becomes very large. I shall also give an alternative method to explain the sample space for throwing a die 2 or more times. Now we shall calculate the sample space by drawing tree diagram. Consider that the die is thrown for first time. When the die is thrown for the first time, then it can give us 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. This can be represented by drawing 6 branches. Now if the die is thrown for the second time, it will also give us 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. But if we combine outcome of first and second throw, we get many outcomes. If first throw results in 1, then after the second throw we get 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6 as outcomes. Again, if first throw results in 2, then after the second throw we get 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6 as outcomes. Similarly, if first throw results in 3, then after the second throw we get 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6 as outcomes. If first throw results in 4, then after the second throw we get 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6 as outcomes. Similarly, if first throw results in 5, then after the second throw we get 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6 as outcomes. Similarly, if first throw results in 6, then after the second throw we get 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6 as outcomes. In this way we can represent the sample space with tree diagram. Combining all these outcomes we get the sample space as equal to set S as shown. It has 36 elements, for we can say that the sample space of the experiment of throwing a die 2 times has 36 possible outcomes. Now we can write the sample space of throwing a die 2 times by using set builder form. Here we say that set S is equal to an ordered pair x, y, such that x is number obtained on the first throw of the die and y is number obtained on the second throw of the die. If first throw results in 1, then the second throw can give us any result from 1 to 6. Therefore we get 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6 as outcomes. If first throw results in 2, then again the second throw can give us any result from 1 to 6. Therefore we get 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, to 6 as outcomes. Similarly, we can describe the outcomes when 3, 4, 5 and 6 are obtained on the first throw and then second die is thrown to obtain the complete sample space. In this manner we can give the sample space for throwing a die 2 times using the alternative method. This experiment has in all 6 into 6, that is, 36 outcomes. This completes the solution of the given question.
To watch more of these super videos and for the latest update, subscribe and like the videos on these YouTube channels HSK Shiksha and Maths Help by HSK. Thank you.